Chapter 4. The Art of Crafting Effective Prompts for Different Tasks. Many new AI users make the same mistake. They write short, generic prompts and get frustrated when they receive equally generic and uninteresting answers. For example, write an article about marketing is like asking an artist to draw something. The result will be random. To get exactly what you want, you need to learn how to be specific and give clear instructions. Why prompt engineering is so important. The art of crafting prompts, or prompt engineering, is the key to unlocking the full potential of AI. The quality of your prompt determines accuracy and relevance. The better you formulate your request, the more precise the result will be. Time savings. Instead of having to redo the AI's work, you immediately get quality material that requires minimal editing. Creativity and depth. A good prompt can push the AI to generate truly unique ideas you never even considered. Think of a prompt not as a simple command, but as a complete technical specification. The more details you provide, the better the final result will be. The anatomy of a perfect prompt. To make your prompt as effective as possible, it should contain several key elements. Use them as a template to ensure your requests are always complete. First, role. Give the AI a specific role so it understands what perspective to answer from. This could be experienced marketer, professional copywriter, surrealist artist, or business analyst. Example, you are a leading expert in SMM. Develop a strategy. Second, task. Clearly and precisely describe what needs to be done. Example, a promotion strategy for the new mobile app on Instagram. Third, context. Give the AI all the necessary background information so it understands the details. This could be a description of the target audience, product, goals, or constraints. Example, the target audience is young mothers between 25 and 35 who are looking for quick and effective ways to get in shape after childbirth. The app is called FitMom. Fourth, format. Specify what format you want the answer in: table, list, article, script, or marketing plan. Example, the strategy in the format of a step-by-step plan with specific post examples and example of a full prompt. You are a leading expert in SMM. Develop a promotion strategy for the new mobile app FitMom on Instagram. The target audience is young mothers between 25 and 35 who are looking for quick and effective ways to get in shape after childbirth. The app offers short, 15-minute workouts. Present this strategy as a step-by-step plan, including a 1-week content calendar with ideas for reels, stories, and posts, and ideas for an advertising campaign. This detailed prompt gives the AI all the necessary data to create a high-quality and relevant response. Advanced techniques. Getting more than you expect. Now that you know the basics, let's move on to more advanced techniques that will allow you to unlock AI's full potential. Using these methods will help you get unique and high-quality results that will make you stand out from the competition. First, prompt chaining. This is a method where you break down a complex task into several simple steps and give them to the AI sequentially. Instead of one huge request that might confuse the AI, you guide it step by step. Step 1. Conduct a market analysis of online courses for freelancers. Step 2. Based on this analysis, suggest 5 ideas for a unique course. Step 3. Choose the third idea and create a detailed content plan for 10 lessons. This approach allows the AI to focus on each stage, leading to a more structured and high-quality result. Second, feedback and iteration. Don't be afraid to make edits and improve your prompt. If the AI's first answer isn't what you're looking for, tell it. For example, you can say, "This text is too formal. Rewrite it in a more conversational style, adding humor and personal stories." The AI will take your feedback into account and produce a new, more suitable version. This is called an iterative process, and it's the foundation of effective prompt engineering. Third, using constraints. To prevent the AI from straying off topic, use constraints. These can be instructions like answer only yes or no, list only 5 points, or do not use professional jargon. This helps keep the AI focused on your task and provides more specific answers. Specializing prompts for different tasks. The ideal prompt for writing an article will differ from a prompt for generating an image or creating code. Here are a few examples to help you adapt your requests for specific goals. For text tasks, copywriting, articles, prompt. Act as a copywriter who is writing a promotional post for Instagram. Your task is to attract the attention of young mothers, 25 to 35, to the new FitMom app. The post should be emotional, motivating, and contain a call to action. Length, no more than 150 words. Be sure to use emojis and hashtags. For visual tasks, Midjourney, DALL-E, prompt. Photorealistic image. A 25-year-old Scandinavian-looking woman smiling and holding a coffee cup while sitting on a cozy veranda. It's early morning with soft light and a blurred city landscape in the background. The image should have warm tones. For audio tasks, 11 Labs, prompt. Voice the following text, insert text, with a low-pitched male voice. The tone should be calm and convincing. The target audience is listeners of self-improvement audiobooks. Prompt templates, automation, and scaling. Once you have mastered the art of prompt composition, you can go further and turn your best prompts into templates. A template is a pre-prepared prompt with variables that you can use again and again simply by substituting new data. This allows you to automate routine tasks and scale your work. Prompts can also be used not only for content generation, but also for building entire business processes. For example, you can create a comprehensive prompt that will analyze market trends in various fields, generate ideas based on these trends, conduct a SWOT analysis for each idea, and select the most promising idea and create a draft business plan. This complex prompt allows you to launch an entire development cycle, saving dozens of hours of work. Conclusion. Prompt engineering is a new form of creativity. Your prompts are your creative input. The better you learn to articulate your ideas, the more impressive results you will get. Remember that AI is a powerful amplifier of your skills. It will not replace your creative thinking, strategic vision, and decision-making ability. It will simply make you dozens of times more effective. In the next chapter, we will move from theory to practice and explore how to use this knowledge to create content with AI. We will learn how to write articles, social media posts, and ad copy that sells.